Is your Microsoft Access database running smoothly but missing updates or ongoing support? Has your original developer retired or moved on, leaving you unsure where to turn? Don't let your database fall behind. At Winning Solutions Inc., we've been maintaining and enhancing Microsoft Access databases since 1996. From Access 2.0 to Access 365, we've worked on hundreds of systems, from small business tools to enterprise databases. Our services include table design, form improvements, report enhancements, and VBA automation. Everything to keep your system efficient and reliable. We also fine-tune performance, improve security, and ensure scalability without disrupting your day-to-day operations. Try us out with a single fix, no long-term commitment required. Experience the difference of professional access maintenance. With WSI, you'll get faster performance, reduced downtime, and a database that's built for the future. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to learn how WSI can enhance and maintain your Access database for long-term success.